was not an investigation in aid of legislation? Bakit ho merong mga documents?
Attorney Bautista,
yes, Mr. Chair.
already raised in the jurisdictional challenge,
Yes.
already ruled on.
Mr. Chair.
Can you react to
May
the
I-
Stop
Yes.
Log
Mr.
2016,
Chair.
which made you rise from
Yes.
the chair? Oh?
Attorney Bautista, lahat
Mr.
ng
Chairman.
sinabi, lahat ng sinasabi mo.
May I now,
Mr. Chair,
We are pressed for time. We
I know,
are
Mr.
using
Chairman.
the session all 3 o'clock.
And that is the reason why I'm speaking.
Yeah.
Attorney Bautista, I'm just saying.
No. I
lahat
think,
nyo ng, excuse me,
Mr.
sir.
Senator, I have been recognized by the
Excuse me,
chair.
sir.
Let's hear
Excuse me,
Senator
sir.
Cayetano.
Ang sinasabi ko lang po, kaya namin kayo ni-welcome dito.
Mm-mm.
Number one, akala ko finally, we will hear something under oath from the spokesman.
Well, you
of-
will, Mr. Senator.
Can I
You
finish? Sir, can I finish?
You will.
Can I finish?
Yes.
Okay. From the spokesman of the Vice President, because sa media, pabago-bago statements ninyo.
Ano po ba
Ang
pabago-bago,
tao-
Mr. Senator? Wala hong
Sir,
babago doon.
Sir, you said I can finish.
Pareho ang sinasabi.
Excuse
Sir,
me.
can I finish?
Let's have an orderly discussion.
Yes,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Actually, you are a resource person here.
Thank you very
all of
much,
a sudden,
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
So,
Let's have a dialogue.
I appreciate that very
Since
much, Mr.
pabago-bago,
Chairman.
sir, ang statement, iba ho yung nagkakaharapan. That's why sabi ko, kahit Makati City Hall ang magpahiring, ako pupunta. Para malaman ng tao yung difference sa pumayag mag-imbestiga, hindi. But you were mentioned in connection with Oplan Nogdog, which is non-existent. And sir, lahat ng sinabi mo dito, sinabi mo na sa media at lahat yan nasagot. Hahaba lang tayo.
Okay.
Ang mga kakampi ni Vice President, welcome dito. Welcome po i-cross-examine si Mr. Chu. Welcome po i-cross-examine si Vice Mayor. Sila ang ayaw pumunta. Si Vice President po mismo pwede pumunta dito. He can cross-examine me. He can cross-examine them. Now, if you want to do it, you have to speak for him, not for yourself. I respect your opinion.
But that is not allowed by the rules, Mr. Chair.
But we can move to
That is
to
not
waive
allowed.
the rules. We can waive the rules if the President, lahat ng dahilan, sinabi na ng Vice President, ayaw nilang magpaliwanag.
Ang
8
dahilan
out
lang
of
po,
10 Filipinos.
Mr.
Anyway,
Senator.
I will finish, Mr. Chairman, so that you can answer.
Yes.
Please stick to the topic of which is the Oplan Nognog.
Yes.
And then if you're willing to speak for the Vice President, I will listen.
Yes.
If not, then can we stick to the topic?
Okay.
Okay,
Mr. Chair,
go ahead,
and
please.
distinguished senators, we stumbled on this demolition plan, codenamed Operation Plan SN16, Stop Nognog 2016. Now, how did we find out about it? Kasi po, even before the start of this subcommittee hearing, a congressman of the Liberal Party who has made a career out of bashing the Vice President by the name of Egay Erice came out in the media. Sabi po niya, watch out. Local politicians from Makati are coming out and are going to file a plunder case against the Vice President. Well, our question was, how did he know? Unless, of course, the local politician will be coming from the Liberal Party. But no, the local politician, Attorney Bundal, comes from the Nacionalista Party. And then later on, Mr. Mercado, another local politician, also came from the Nacionalista Party. Ngayon, pagkatapos po ni Mr. Erice sabihin yan, eto na si Mr. Bundal, filing a plunder complaint against the Vice President. And immediately thereafter, Senator Trillanes filed a resolution to investigate the Makati City Hall Building 2. O, yan na.
And
Doon po ang
rightly so,
nangyari yun.
and rightly so, Congressman, Attorney J.B. Bautista.
Thank you, thank you.
Rightly
Rightly so. And we were hoping that the investigation will focus on the Makati City Hall Building 2. If that were the case, Mr. Chair, then this hearing would have been fair. But that was not the case. Pagkatapos pong i-create ang subcommittee at nag-umpisa na ang hearing, eto na po, lumabas na si Ginoong Nestor Mercado. Lahat na ho ng mga bintang inilabas na dito. Wala nang kinalaman sa Makati City Hall Building 2. Eto na, ang pinag-uusapan na ho natin dito, Rosario Property. Sabi niya 350 hectares. Sabi niya, it's Hacienda Binay. Sabi niya, air condition daw yung piggery dahil ayaw maamoy ni Mrs. Binay. Yung amoy ng mga baboy. Oh. Asa ng proof para sabihin niya yun? Asa ng patunay niya except for a video, an aerial video of the property. Nasabi niya kasama siya sa helicopter. Yung pala, hindi naman. Then we were able to obtain a copy of the flight plan. Ang may-ari ng chopper, Mr. Zamora, Buddy Zamora, and among those who took part in the flight, one of those, and I suspect, Mr. Chair, distinguished senators, that he was the one who probably took the photo because he's a graphic artist under the employ of Senator Cayetano. What was he doing there? I thought that this committee is supposed to hear evidence, elicit evidence from witnesses appearing before it. That's the reason for the subpoena. Why are the senators the ones gathering evidence? Kayo na po ang nagpapakita ng mga PowerPoint presentation. Pagkatapos ng PowerPoint presentation ni Mr. Mercado, PowerPoint presentation ni Senator Trillanes. Pagkatapos ng PowerPoint presentation ni Trillanes, PowerPoint presentation ni Senator Cayetano. O ngayon naman, gano'n na naman.
Okay.
PowerPoint presentation of Senator Cayetano.
Sige.
That is why,
I think you made
Mr.
your
Senator,
point, huh?
yes, that is why
Wind up, please,
we
wind
have
up.
been, yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh.
That is why we have been able to come to this conclusion that after all we've gathered, and mind you, the Vice President has friends, even in the Liberal Party, even in the Nationalista Party. That's the reason why one of his spokesmen now come from the Nationalista Party. Kaya ho yung mga bagay na yan, nalalaman namin.
So yung Oplan Nog-Nog inimbento nyo?
Hindi namin invento yan,
Saan
Mr. Senator.
saan galing?
May
Sa
may
dokumento?
basis, sinasabi na nga niya yung basis niya. So
Yes.
that's it. So,
No, that's the basis for them.
No,
Sabi
no, no,
niya,
no, no,
Sir,
Mr.
Chairman,
Mr.
You said you came to the conclusion. I'm
Yes.
saying yung name ng Oplan, saan nyo nabunot yun?
Okay, hindi namin binunot yun. Napag-alaman namin yun.
Saan po?
I will not tell you sino nagsabi sa amin.
Secret,
Pambihira naman.
secret.